ImportError, no module name scikit-learn.cross_validation. I am using Python 2.7 in Ubuntu 14.04. I installed scikit-learn, NumPy and matplotlib with these commands. But when I import these packages, it returns me this error. What I need to do?
It must relate to the renaming and deprecation of cross_validation submodule to model_selection. Try substituting cross_validation to model_selection.
train_test_split is now in model_selection. Just type. It should work.
I guess cross-selection is not active anymore. We should use instead model selection. You can write it to run, from scikit-learn.model_selection import train_test_split. That's it.
Make sure you have Anaconda installed and then create a virtual env using Conda. This will ensure all the imports work. scikit-learn.cross_validation is now changed to scikit-learn.model_selection. Just use. I think that will work.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.